Hey YouTube, this is Curly Chica 419 coming at you, and I'm here with a hair tutorial. I know it's been a while since I've been on YouTube with a hair video, but I'm back. And I'm really excited because after 3 years, I'll try to put some pictures in, but after 3 years, I decided to get my hair straightened. Almost 3 years ago in October, I did get married and I had a mohawk haircut. Really short on the sides, had some pieces put in, straightened it out, and it was really cute. And it began to grow out and I didn't mess with it. I was already natural, so I was letting it grow. And I have not had a trim. I have not had it straightened in almost 3 years. So I'm out of school right now, so I decided, you know what, I'm gonna pamper myself. So went to the beautician, got it trimmed up, and it was a little bit longer. It was probably maybe down to here. And she went ahead and cut it, and I did not mind at all because I want healthy hair. And because I have blonde ends, clean it up. I don't want any dead split ends. So that was last week, and though I liked it, I bumped the ends for church on Sunday, and I mean, you can see, like, look at that. So it's time to make that transition back, and I miss my curly hair. I really do. I told my husband I miss my hair. I cannot wait to wash it. It was great straight. People that saw me liked it. I liked it. It was nice to run my brush through it. Like I said, I only curled it once the entire week. I just bumped the ends, and been wearing it up in a ponytail and off of me. So I'm ready for my curls. I'm ready for my curls back. So this video is me going back to my curls. I'm so excited. So I just want to talk to you about what I'm going to be using today. And I'm using some new products. I've never used these products before, and I've done some research with some of the curly girl videos that are on YouTube, and I decided to try them for myself. And I have low porosity hair. I also have fine hair. It's curly. You'll see here in a little bit. So I picked up the Maui Moisture line. Okay. So today I have the Maui Moisture Coconut Milk Shampoo for dry hair. You can see that. And it is Nourish and Moisture Coconut Milk Shampoo for dry hair. Hydrate, detangle, gentle, creamy coconut milk, sheer guava oil, wholesome mango butter. And it's sulfate free, so really happy about that. And then it lists, I like that because it lists everything that it doesn't have. No mineral oils, no silicones, no parabens, no glutens, no SLS, no synthetic dyes, no ALES. It's vegan, it's eco-friendly, pure coconut water, pure aloe juice, okay? So I picked up this particular line for the shampoo and also for the conditioner. So I'm going to hop in the shower. I'm not gonna videotape myself in the shower washing my hair. I know my husband's not gonna go for that, and that's just not my thing. So when you see me in a little bit, I will have freshly washed, shampooed, and conditioned hair. I am going to detangle also in the shower. And when I come out, we're gonna go on to the next thing, which is the Lottabody Milk and Honey leave-in conditioner. And also the Lottabody Milk and Honey Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. And it is alcohol free and it's for natural hair. So I'm really excited to try it. So we're gonna jump in and do that. So I'll see you in a little bit. Oh, bye straight hair. We'll see you again in 6 months or a year or something, 2 years. Yeah, bye. Okay, I'm all back now. So I have washed and conditioned my hair, and I just want to say that this stuff smells so good. It is coconut milk. It just smells. It smells dreamy. It has a nice, this is the shampoo, has a nice consistency. It does sud up, and I actually like that because I feel like my hair is getting clean, but my hair doesn't feel stripped. It feels really soft. The conditioner is really thick as well. So I'm gonna go ahead, because now that I know what type of hair I have, I know that my hair tends to dry really quickly. So I don't want to waste a lot of time because my hair will begin to dry. And I do have my water bottle here. I've learned, and I guess I can say this is my first time doing my hair like this, that I should keep my hair, I shouldn't do my hair dripping wet, but I shouldn't put the product on dry, because apparently the hair shaft, I don't know all the terms, but if you have water in your hair, not cold water, but just like some warm water, that helps the product to get into your hair and do what it's supposed to do. But sometimes my hair gets really dry, so go ahead and we're gonna go in with the Lottabody Milk and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. Guess that's enough. Okay. Oh, that smells lovely. I'm just gonna rake that in. And then you just want to make sure that you get all of your strands. Oh, my curls are back. I love it. Oh, look how fat they are. Curls are acting like they're big girls. You guys know my curls are like extra teeny weeny. Teeny tiny, teeny weeny. Okay, so I got that all raked in. I have decided not to go in with my brush. I don't use a Denman brush. I've been using this brush, but I don't think, I'm not gonna go in with it. I'm gonna see how this works without it. Oh, it smells so good. I wonder could I use this and not anything else? It says working the ample amount throughout damp hair, working from ends to roots, style is desired. Oh no. I don't know if I can just use this by itself. Look at the ends of my curls. They look pretty good. Oh, my hair smells so good. I'm gonna go right in after that with the Refine Me Curl Defining Mousse. It just says apply to damp or dry hair from roots to end. For definition, allow hair to dry or diffuse. So that's what this is. I'll put a few, oh, it's kind of sweet. A few pumps. Oh, I wish you all could smell this. It smells so good. Okay, I don't want to go too much, because I don't want my hair to be weighed down. And I noticed, like, I had been using Eco Style gel and my hair was just so weighed down. I'm like, I can't get any bigness to it, you know? Like big hair. I wanted big hair. A little natural part, like right over here, so. I'm not gonna comb it, I'm just going to come apart. I don't do my edges, I just want to smooth them down. So this is just some Eco Style flaxseed, black castor oil flaxseed. The one I could never find anywhere. I have a little bit in here. Just wanna get these edges stuff like that. So when the wind blows, don't look all crazy under there. As you can see, when my hair was straight, you guys can see that I have a lot of gray. And that gray tends to not want to be friendly and curl. I know I'm playing in it too much. I'm trying to get it to act right. Have some act right. Trying to get this out to have some act right. Alright. I'm so happy to have my curls back. Alright. So I may diffuse a little bit, but I'm like a air dryer. Let's let it do its own thing. See how long it takes. Okay, so this is my blow dryer. It's nothing fancy. It's called Unplugged. I don't even know who makes it, but I got it from Sally's about 6 years ago. Yeah, 6 years ago, and this is just a Conair Pro. Is that upside down? Conair Pro. Can you see that? Just kind of attaches like that. And it has 3 settings. I'm sure they have an updated one by now. I mean, this one is like 6 years old. So I'm gonna go in at low heat, low speed. And everybody says that I should flip over. So okay, so I'm back. It is 8:05. So I've been drying now since 6:30. Air drying since about 6:30. So pretty much all dry, including, I say the back is about 95% dry, mostly dry. It's really soft. I'm gonna go ahead and seal my hair with the argan oil that I picked up. That's what I picked up. Multi-purpose treatment, moisturizes skin, scalp, and hair strands. It helps to promote a youthful skin. I use it on my skin, helps to strengthen hair strands, relieves dryness, dandruff, and flakiness. So I'm just gonna use just a little bit. I'm just gonna use just a little bit. Get that in there. I'll make it heavy. And fluff that out. My hair is so soft. It's not crunchy at all. I mean, I already have some body on day 1 hair. What it was gonna look like tomorrow. No, I'm not going anywhere tonight. I'm actually gonna go practice. But I like how it turned out. So you see the back again. And she did cut a little bit shorter in the back because I had some breakage and she just wanted it to be, we wanted it to be healthy and even. So that's the back. Oh, but I like my curls. All right, so that's it. That's it. I love it. I love it. Love my curls. So I'm going to see how this looks tomorrow and Sunday, see if it gets bigger as the next few days continue, but I really like it. I love having my curls back. So I'm going to try to be a little bit more consistent with the videos and maybe do some more wash and go tutorials. I'm not a big fan of like flat twists for me, but maybe that's something I can try to experiment with, or 2-strand twist. I don't know, we'll see. But I love my wash and go, and thank you for watching with me as I snapped my curls back from being straightened for a whole week. and I'm glad to have my curls back. I love them. So hope you guys have a great one, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.